Galway Simon community and St Anthony's and Claddagh Credit Union have come together to support our client involvement strategy. This was developed back in 2015 by our client action group. Their main purpose is to support clients getting involved in their local communities. It's got three main objectives. The first one is to reduce social isolation for people who are experiencing homelessness or at risk of homelessness. The second one then, like I said, is to get people involved in meaningful use of time activities, and the third is to broaden that base for people to get back into education and training. This year, as I said, we've worked with about 550 households year to date. Last year that was 336 households. The year before that it was about 284. So as you can see, the numbers are just rising exponentially. I think it's a 90% increase we've had in demand year to date. So any help that we can get to be able to deliver services long term is greatly appreciated. It means that we're guaranteed to be able to deliver the kind of programs that our clients have asked for and that we know that they're going to benefit from long term. You can't value it enough, really. Yeah.
My name is Ian Shaw and I'm the Operations Director at CURUM. CURUM is the Science Foundation Ireland Centre for Research in Medical Devices, and it aims to provide affordable and innovative solutions for the treatment of chronic diseases using novel medical devices. The Community Engagement Programme, which has been sponsored by St Anthony and Claddagh Credit Union, will allow us to set up a number of workshops where we can actually go out to the public, meet in community halls, community centres, and our researchers can talk to the public and talk about health, we can talk about ageing, and we can talk about the issues that are involved in chronic disease. Our partnership with St Anthony's and Claddagh Credit Union is one of mutual benefit. The credit unions are synonymous with community, and we hope that with what we're trying to do here with CURUM, we can also be synonymous with education and public engagement in the community.
My name is Roisin Stack. I'm Communications and Development Associate at Druid. Fuel was founded in 2014 as a means of supporting artists who are based here in the west of Ireland and who are making new theatre. St Anthony's and Claddagh Credit Union came on board with us, and it was such a huge boost to Fuel because it means that we can plan for the future, and it means that we can continue with or without our Arts Council support, which is hugely important, but we don't have the same long-term commitment that we do have from St Anthony's and Claddagh Credit Union. So it really means a lot to us and obviously to the artists as well. So for us to be able to say we will do this every year, this programme will be available because of the support of St Anthony's and Claddagh Credit Union, that's huge. We're really looking forward to seeing how our relationship with St Anthony's and Claddagh Credit Union will develop and will evolve, and what fantastic things can come out of it through our Fuel Artist Residency programme.
I'm Vivian Keevy and I'm a director of the ILCU Foundation. I went to Africa in 2014 as a technical coach to help establish credit unions in Ghana. Poverty is everywhere, and really the lasting image I have is of all the walking women in Ghana where they're trying to make ends meet by carrying water on their heads, and that's providing them with their income. But the biggest change that happens in their lives is when they become credit union members and they are able to then to get access to loans. And we met one particular woman who was able to start a business by getting a loan from a credit union and buying a truck and selling her produce, and she was able to send her children to school and to buy a house from her credit union loan. So it's the same the world over. People need access to credit, and that's what we're helping them to do, provide them with credit. The goal is that these movements will be able to stand on their own, and we're able to do that because of the community engagement programme that we've now developed with St Anthony's and Claddagh Credit Unions, and we're extending those projects all over Africa at the moment. They are making people's lives 100 times better all over the world.